In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Dark Reader to Chrome. Dark Reader is a popular tool that flips bright websites into a comfortable, high-contrast, dark theme, which can help reduce eye strain, especially at night. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Next, head to the official Chrome web store and find the Dark Reader extension. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Dark Reader name and listing in the store. Once you're there, click the Add to Chrome button. A small confirmation window will appear explaining the permissions Dark Reader needs to apply visual changes to pages you visit. Click Add Extension to continue. Chrome will download and install it in just a moment, and you'll see a quick confirmation once it's ready. After installation, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the extensions icon, which looks like a small puzzle piece. In the list that appears, find Dark Reader and click the pin icon. Pinning keeps Dark Reader visible on your toolbar so you can reach it quickly without digging through menus. By default, Dark Reader automatically enables dark mode on most websites. Click its toolbar icon to open the panel. Here, you can turn dark mode on or off globally with a single switch. If a particular site doesn't look quite right, you can toggle it off just for that site, so the rest of the web stays dark while that page remains in its original colors. You'll also find simple sliders for brightness and contrast. Lowering brightness softens harsh whites, while adjusting contrast can make text stand out more against the background. If you prefer a warmer or cooler look, try the built-in color options to fine-tune the tone. Fonts are customizable too. So if a site's default font is hard to read, you can pick something cleaner and more legible. For sites you never want to darken, use the site list inside the Dark Reader panel to exclude them. This is handy for web apps or graphics-heavy pages where precise colors matter. Dark Reader remembers your choices, so once you set it up the way you like, it just works. One more note on privacy and safety. Dark Reader is open source and states that it does not collect user data. The permissions you see are used to adjust page appearance, not to store your information. You can always review its details on the Chrome Web Store listing. That's it. Quick to install, easy to control, and customizable to your eyes and workflow. Enjoy more comfortable browsing with Dark Reader in Chrome.